One Baek Jong-won goes global with K-sauce and consulting. Baek Jong-won, CEO of the Born Korea, aims to reach KRWW 100 billion USD 72M in overseas sales by 2030 through TBK sauces and food consulting. Demo sessions in the US and Europe, plus retail partnerships in Taiwan and China. 7 sauces already launched, from spicy chicken to doenjang stew, with QR code recipe videos and tailored consulting. From celebrity chef to K-sauce global ambassador, Baek Jong-won's move could make Korean flavors more accessible. Worldwide, Gyeonghyang to Nongshim expands K-food in the U.S. with Jagalchi Market Megamart, part of the Nongshim Group, opened a 6,900 Jagalchi store in Daly City, California, drawing 49,000 visitors opening weekend. Michelin-starred chef Tony Yu's restaurant Pogu, an oyster bar, kimchi and banchan counters, plus a K-beauty section. Jagalchi ties back to Busan's seafood market and Nongshim's 38-year snack brand legacy. Bringing Busan's iconic Jagalchi name to the U.S. is clever. It's more than a store. It's a full K-food and lifestyle experience. News' 3CJ opens first dumpling factory in Japan. CJ Chil Jedong invested KRW 100 billion USD 72 ek to build a Bibigo dumpling factory in Chiba, Japan. The 8,200 site produces dumplings for nationwide distribution under a local production, local sales strategy. CJ's Japan food sales rose 27% YoY in H1 2025. Japanese consumers often prefer domestically made food, so Bibigo's local factory could be a game-changer male business. India in the spotlight for K-beauty and K-food. Korean companies are rushing into India. Cosmax, Beauty ODM, LF, Fashion, and food retail giants expanding aggressively. Lotte India merged with Havmore, launching its One India strategy with new ice cream and pepero factories. Emart24 became the first Korean convenience store chain in India, offering ramen, tteokbokki, kimbap, and more. With US-China risks rising, India looks like the new land of opportunity. Expect K-brands to embed into young Indians' daily lives. Everyday 5 Lotte Wellfood seasonal sweet potato lineup. Partnering with Gochang County, Lotte Wellfood launched 12 fall limited products across its top brands, from Margaret cookies to Binch and Bibang Pare ice cream. Part 2 of its Delicious Korea Road campaign after last year's Chestnut series. Pop-ups in Yongsan, Hapjeong, and Jamsil subway stations will showcase the products alongside Gochang's cultural heritage. Chestnuts last year, sweet potatoes this year. If locally sourced LTOs go viral abroad, it could be huge. Hopefully these seasonal launches ride the hype all the way to Lotte Mart USA Chosun Ilbo FOOREND newsletter schedule, 1st and 3rd Fridays. Korean food trend highlights, 2nd and 4th Fridays. Global food trend highlights. Follow on Instagram. FOOREND shares even faster updates on Instagram stories, so don't miss out and make sure to follow through the link above. Business contact, foodtrend.foorend@gmail.com. You can also contact via LinkedIn. Check out the Korean FOOREND full archive.